Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Not sure if you can hear, it is actually raining like cats and dogs outside my kitchen right now. Can you hear the thunder? Well, at least it's not so hot today. Recent weather has been so bad and it is super difficult for a lot of home cook. And, wow, the thunder, crazy. Oh my god, scary thunder today. I hope those is driving outside can reach home safely. Okay, anyway, Appa is quite busy today, so just now I saw some chicken, I took it out, and I had never really decided what to cook, how to cook the chicken, but usually sometime when I don't know what to cook, I will just make it into a chicken stew with some ginger. That is my personal favorite. And today I'll probably make it a little bit more saucy, yeah? Give it more sauce, yeah? I apologize for the thunder, something I cannot control. Okay, now I have here about three this chicken thigh. You can use any chicken parts that you have, and you can marinate it with a little bit of light soy sauce if you like, yeah, and cut into chunks, yeah, cut into chunks. Just to share my experience. My God. I try to close the door behind so that it is not as noisy. I think now a bit better. So now from my experience, usually I more often than not, I try to buy the whole chicken and then I will ask them to cut into 4 pieces, after which I will decide how I want to cook it separately. This piece here, the chicken I buy usually is the larger one, at least more than 2.5 kg and above, because usually this kind of chicken has a little bit, they breed it longer, so it has more chicken flavor, yeah? So, but it is still a farm chicken today. This is still farm chicken, but breed longer. It is not a free-range chicken, yeah? Sometimes, I like free-range chicken, but my family, they don't quite like it because it's, the meat is a little bit too tough. All right, anyway. So this is why you don't see much of the yellowish chicken color today, yeah? One thing, I know some of you will ask the seller to cut into smaller pieces straight away. I discourage you from doing that, mainly because if become too small, if they cut into this size for you, later when you try to double check on the bulu, yeah, what is the bulu in English? Is it fur? I forgot. Feather or whatever, it's very difficult for you to double check. When it is bigger chunk, it's still easier to check lah. At least for Appa lah. So you can just marinate it if you like. I did not marinate anything today. Then we have many pieces of ginger slices and some minced garlic. Right. So we are going to start with give it a little bit of oil here, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and let's heat it up. The moment you felt that the oil is heated up, we can put in the ginger and the whole garlic. And we shall saute this for a minute or two, brown it a little bit, yeah? Some people actually think that saute is to saute the ingredient. Actually, at the end of the day, you forgot about the oil. Actually, we are trying to flavor the oil. It's not wrong that you want to brown your ginger and garlic to give it some enhanced flavor. Nothing wrong. But I want to tell you that actually this process will eventually flavor the oil, which eventually will then flavor your chicken. Come back shortly. Alright, this is less than 1 minute actually. The garlic started to brown. I'm going to put in the chicken. I like all this sizzling sound. It gives me the feelings of home. How about you? What do you think? Right, next thing, we are going to tune down the fire to low fire because now we are going to give it some seasoning. Oh, actually, I should start with by some Shaoxing wine, but I don't have Shaoxing wine today. So I'm going to straight away give it some hot water. And I'll give it a little bit more hot water today because I prefer a little bit more sauce tonight. So right after we pour in the hot water, first give it some 2 rounds of light soy sauce. A bit of salt. A bit of sugar to, this is actually to increase the potency of the salt. Some of my cooking appa chicken stock powder for those interested, because this is 100% natural. You can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. You can find the link in the video description. Yeah. And I would like to have a bit of color. Not too much. Always be very careful on your dark soy sauce because it can actually make your dish become too bitter. Don't put too much. And I give it some fried garlic. This is just optional if you have it for enhanced flavor. So we are going to bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, we can actually close it with a lid and tune down to medium low and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Then your dish is almost done. This is after approximately 18 minutes. Let me adjust the angle for you, the focus. Right, it's clearer now, right? Okay, it's basically done. I just give it a few stir. I can make it even thicker, but I prefer to have a little bit more sauce today lah. So I won't make it thicker, except for the fact that I will put in a little bit of cornstarch off the fire. You will just thicken up a little bit, but you will make the sauce wrap better, coat better on the chicken itself. Yeah, I don't like my my sauce to be too starchy. That's appa style. Yeah, done. Oh, we can actually give it a few dashes of white pepper. Done. Ready to be served. Of course, right before serving, inside the pot, you can actually use salt and sugar to adjust to taste. Yeah, but this is basically done. Very yummy. Seriously, I love this. My personal comfort food lah. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. To be very frank, you can go very well with white rice or white porridge. Either one. Bye bye.